Hello friends, in the last videos we finished the three types of the model for related to civil, mechanical and electrical and finished to full 2D. Okay friends, in the next now we will start that convert to 2D to 3D view. Okay, that is the 2D view and after we will convert in that to 3D view. Okay friends, there is the 2D panel we finished and that is the 3D panel we will start, and there is also 2D and there is 3D we will finish in the next videos. Okay friends, so today we will finish the topics like converting 3D views and some commands for use in 3D. Okay friends, if you didn't subscribe my and like my channel, so please subscribe and like my YouTube channel. Okay friends, and if you have any queries, so you can ask in the comment box and my mail in the description box. You can mail me also. So take relax and get started. Okay friends, that is the 2D view. I'm convert in 3D. So how? Let's concentrate. Okay, so see here, there is a 2D wireframe view. Okay, so here there is a normal 4 view, 6 view, top, bottom, left, right and front and back. Okay friends, there is a 4 isometric view. Okay, which is southwest, southeast, northeast and northwest. Okay friends, so here there is a 2 front isometric view and there is a 2 back isometric view. So here I take southeast isometric view, which is south and east. Okay friends, and there is another one axis is introduced, which is third axis, z axis, and there is the 3D view. Okay, I will introduce that panel. How to can you put here? Go to the view and go to the display and go to the navigation bar. It will come. Okay, for the use, I will introduce many commands for that next. Okay, after some time. So here there is not complete 3D view. There is 2D wireframe view. There is I want to show you that I make here a box which is in 2D wireframe view. There is a 3D wireframe, both are same, 2D and 3D. That is in solid. Okay friends, it just shows the 3D wireframe view. Okay, and there is a hidden wireframe view where is the height, the background frames. Okay, so here is a realistic visual style. We will work on that. Okay, and there is a conceptual visual style where the two faces on the light and another third faces is on the shadow. Okay friends, so we will work on that. Okay, so before start commands, I make a two elements for showing examples. Okay friends, look at here carefully. Okay, so now look, concentrate, full concentrate. Look here, I give a color for that object. Here I give a red color for that, and now I give another color. Okay friends, okay. So here first command for 3D is union command. Okay, union command, that means two objects will union, where the separate it will union. Okay, it may be join or separated. Okay, so how it's possible? Let's take a command, select first object, second object and enter. It is union when I select the first object. Okay, now when I take and do, they are separated. Okay, so here I take again union command, select first object and second object, then enter or space, press a key. Okay, so here I select the object, it is automatically selected, and that is the center point of the both object. Okay, here I take a undo by Ctrl Z, redo by Ctrl Y. Okay friends, so there are objects, two objects, which is you can perform on union command, which may be separate or join. There is another command which is subtract. How to use subtract? That means if you can remove second object to the first object. Okay, so how it's possible? That by the command. So take a command. Okay, and that is a condition, both objects should be merged each other. Okay, both objects should be merged each other, that is the condition for that. Okay, so select, just suppose I want to remove that sphere from that box. So first select the box, then enter, and select the sphere, then enter. Okay, here I am going to show you that orbit. Okay, So that is separated. There is a many type of the orbit. That is the orbit. There is a free orbit you can rotate by here, and there is also one against continuous orbit you can rotate by the continuous and see the model. Okay, friends. Another one I want to show you that the free orbit. Okay, there is an orbit. There is a pan also. You can move to the object. There is the types of zoom. Okay, there is a many part of the zoom and types of the zoom are here available. Okay, friends, and there is not for you to use. Okay, and there is the axis wheel. I want to show you that I introduce. There is the orbit. You can rotate for the orbit and give also the center to put here. I give a center on that, and that you can use and the rotate for the orbit. Okay, friends. Now the next is pen. You can use also the pen. There is pen also here, and now the off. Again the rewind. You can go back to the rewind position. Okay, friends. There is also the view of zoom, and now here also the walk. You can walk around the objects. There is a walk button. Okay, friends. Now here the end up and down. You can work on the up and down objects. Okay. So there is all finish for the use. Okay, and now come to the southward isometric. Okay. Now I'm taking the undo here. Okay, friends. So that command is finished, which is subtracted. Another one command is intersect. There is also condition applied both objects should be merged. Intersect, that means, friends, that merging part will remain and free part will remove. Okay, so how it is possible? Select first command and select first object and second object, then enter. The merged part will show and another free part will remove. Okay, friends, so that is the command for the use. Okay, next one is extrude face, move face, and offset face. These three commands work same. Okay, and the angle will ask in only extrude face. So how this possible? Look at here. Here I take a command, select to the face, I select to the face. Now press enter or space. Okay, specify the height for extrusion. So first of all, you have to pick any point on edge or corner of the face. Okay. Now specify the second point. You can give also the distance. I give a 10 inch. Okay. Press enter. Okay. Now here it is asked for the angle. I will show you that angle after. Next step. Now press to the enter. Okay, so here I take undo. Now select here command again, select the face, enter, pick a point, and I give the second point. Now here is the angle is 30, so I give 0, then enter. If you didn't give any angle, it will only increase the volume. Okay, friends. And if you want to give angle, so look at here again. Is select the face, then enter, and give the pick point, and now give the next point. Okay, and if you want to give angle, so you can give 30. Okay, and then enter. It will increase the volume with the distance how much you can give, and it will also increase the angular shape. Okay, friends. So it will on the fourth side it will create the 30 degree of the angle. Okay, friends. It will ask angle only in extrude face, not in move face and offset face. Move face is the same. Select to the face. Here I wanna select to the face, press enter, pick a point, and give the distance. I wanna give a 1 fit. That is the 1 fit distance, which increase the volume of the box, and press to escape for the remove the command. Okay. Now next one is offset face. How to use it? Select to the face of the object, then enter. And just pick to the point, and you can give the distance, or that is here 11.8 inches. Okay, so click on that. That will also increase the volume of the box. The same conditions are applied here. Okay, these commands are works with the same process. Now the next command is delete face. You can delete the face also by the erase command, so we will not use for that. And now the next one is rotate face. How to rotate the face? Okay, that is not useful for the for civil and mechanical, for electrical designs, but I want to show you that how to use it. So here I take a command and select the face, then enter, and now specify the axis point. I pick to the axis point. Now next one is specify the rotation axis. Specify the second point for the rotation axis. So if I now close to the auto, you can give any type anywhere the second point for the rotation axis, or you can give the diagonally to other point. Say I give the other point on the other corner. Now it is going to specify the rotation angle. So here I put my axis in the downward side and put here the angle which is 45, then enter. So friends, understand that condition. Here we divide diagonal axis, okay, and give a 45 angle. So it will make decrease the volume on 45 degree in that face and increase the 45 degree of that volume by that face. Okay, so it is only cutting to the volume, but the volume of object is same. Okay friends, so here we understand that rotate face, how to rotate. So friends, this command, this command is so easy, and next command we'll understand next video friends. If you have any doubt, any query, so you can write in the comment box, and my mail is in description box. You can mail me also, and please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Okay friends, I will update. I will give you more update about that next commands for the AutoCAD. Okay friends.